The Oni of Ife is here. Opposition.
His Excellency Mr. Tuto, the President of Nigeria, we are still missing. It could be tomorrow.
You send me text. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. Thank you so very much. How are you?
I'm excited. I came on the throne to add value to the system. That's what I said when I came in. I said, we're working together. Nigeria is one country. We don't have another country but Nigeria. We need to love them. We need to love ourselves. We'll be our brother's keeper. Be our brother's keeper when we pick the next person up. That's better. I'm glad the Obosi brother of all of us together.
You see, Oni, all the way from the southwest, myself, all the way from north central, and all the other Obis and Obas are here from different parts of the country. So that's what we call unity, and it's only this institution that can bind Nigeria together. It's only national institution because we have so many things in common. Culturally, our meaning, we have it in common, and it's only that when we play it like this, we're able to inform our people, we're able to educate our people, and bring everybody together.
Custodian of culture and tradition in southwestern Nigeria, you can see a very strong display of unity from the three major regions of our country, the Hausas, the Igbos, and the Yorubas. We are all here fully represented from all the major tribes of our country. This indeed is a very strong display of unity, indeed a very strong display of culture and tradition.
Hello guys, this is Creative Law TV and we're live and direct in Obosi. So this is Obosi, Obiora Obosi, that is Igwe Obosi Festival. Today is Iri Ji Festival in Obosi, and this is one of the great festivals in Obosi. You understand? Because Igwe Iweka III is having his New Yam Festival today. And if you look around, you see how colorful it is. Things are happening here. You know, Creative Law TV, because we promote culture and tradition, we don't allow this kind of colorful event to pass us by. We always to show you what is happening and how they do their things. I've gone other places, show you the way they eat their own New Yam Festival. Today is Obosi New Yam Festival. So, and this is one of the biggest festival in Obosi. So, as Obosi, the Iweka III is having like a colorful event here, and many people from all over the country grace this occasion. From the west, from the north, from the south. That is Zendeze. Igbo, never. Oni of Ife, never. Then Emir or Sariki, I don't know, from the north is here. And we don't like P2B is here. Then Chukwuma Soludo, that's Governor of Anambra State, was here. So many people, Oyster Chidoka, Honorable is here. And other people, Iches, Ozos, many people are here. Almost all the Igwes and Igbo is here. So not because of they don't have any place to go, but because of the cultural thing. Like you cannot do without culture and Igbo. And if you look, you see some colorful banners. I don't know. I can't read them. But let's go by the. Let me start from my side, from my right hand side. This is Iweka Obosi. Obosi, born in 1879. That's it. Iweka Obosi. Eze Obodo Obosi. Then this is the second banner here. Is His Royal Highness Igwe Iweka Obosi, 1815 to 1825. Then here is Igwe Anene, the King of Obosi, from 1878 to July 17, 1915. This is history. And I love people who are keeping histories. So, then this is His Royal Highness late Obi JM Cordelie 1 Igbo of Obosi, 1915 to 1950. Then let's go. So this is just like about giving you the brief history of Obosi. This is His Royal Highness Igwe Engineer J.E. Nwakogi Eze Obosi, 1996 to 2011. So then, and then this is the picture. Come here, let me show you. So this is His Royal Highness Igwe Engineer BSc London AMICE FNCE LOFR Igwe Iweka II Eze Obosi, 1974 to 1996. Then and so on and so forth is many. And this is the chase and some other people. If you look around, you see now if you make a security now about today to make sure everything is successful. So if you see me, you see like I'm sweating because of I have run around. I try to capture the moment. So today I brought every day. So when you see such a thing, so you know that Igbo still make time for our culture and tradition, no matter how you paint it. It might look like ceremonial, but it's like our culture. The account is back to some decades and centuries. So that's how it is. And we have to keep it, promoting it. That's why we are here. We are invited to make sure we capture all this and promote our culture. That's why we are here. So let's go inside and we'll show you people what is happening.
Yes, sir.
After the presentation by the
okay, so this is red carpet. This is where the red carpet started. So there are different masquerade, different dancing, like cultural dance and all that things. This so like different cultural activities happening here. In short, Anya, okay. That goes if I ever tell you them. Yeah.
The Oni of Ife is here. Opposition. The Oni of Ife. He can do of Abubakar.
Majesty, Igwes are someone who came to pass out. Igwe the man of Igwe Kingdom, Ogadagi the one, Chairman Enugu State Regional Last Council, Igwe Past Chairman Southeast Regional Last Council, and member Board of Trustees Council of Regional Last of Africa, Nigerian chapter. I'm here to communicate with my friend, my royal father, our royal father Igwe Iweka Obosi, Chairman Anambra State Regional Last Council, and I'm here with our leader here. The Oni of Ife is just arrived, and our leader again, Iri Ji, and other revered traditional rulers of the state of all this, the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We're happy to be here. We're praying for the community of Obosi to stand firm in peace and forgiveness like a pledge. His Obiora Obosi, which is Iri Ji, is something we do, a monumental thing we do yearly for Wayang Festival. To thank God for the bountiful harvest. So we're glad that Obosi came out in mass. All the stakeholders, all the people, all the citizens of Obosi. And here we met Peter Obi showed up. So that tells you that, and the governor was here earlier, so Governor Soludo. So we wish him well in his election coming up. So we thank everybody, we thank the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for the platform, for the atmosphere to make everything happen. And I'm happy that the royal fathers graced the occasion very well. And God bless you. I'm excited. I came on the throne to add value to the system. That's what I said when I came in. I said, we're working together. Nigeria is one country. We don't have another country but Nigeria. We need to love them. We need to love ourselves. We'll be our brother's keeper. Be our brother's keeper when we pick the next person up. That's better. I'm glad the Obosi brought all of us together. So we're happy and we keep doing that. My fall are coming up November 15th. Show up.
This wonderful His Excellency Mr. Tutobi, the President of Nigeria, we are still missing. It will be tomorrow.
You send me text. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. How are you?
And like my friend will always say, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we are still missing. It could be today, it could be tomorrow. We are still praying to God. One day, we shall live and let
Your Highness, the Emir of Nupe, Alhaji Yahaya Abubakar, CFR, and the Chairman Coordinating Committees of Mission National Council of Nigeria, coordinating all the affairs of all the kings, obas, and emirs in this part of the country. I feel very highly honored to be here alive to witness one of our very cultural and traditional ceremonies of Ofala in Obosi Kingdom. My colleague, the chairman, Anambra Council of Traditional Rulers, is celebrating this 14th Obosi and Obiora festival. So we feel highly honored to be part of this festival. And we pray Almighty God to continue to give us peace, security, and progress in this country. The unity of this country is not negotiable at all. You know, we're one people as a Nigerian. So we should love each other, care for each other, understand each other, and respect each other at all times. Thank you. What we call unity. You know, unity of purpose, unity as a nation, unity as an individual. So the moment we use this occasion to come together, we are strengthening the art of unity of this country. You see, Oni, all the way from the southwest, myself, all the way from north central, and all the other Obis and Obas are here from different parts of the country. So that's what we call unity, and it's only this institution that can bind Nigeria together. It's only national institution because we have so many things in common. Culturally, minimally, we have it in common, and it's only that when we play it like this, we're able to inform our people, we'll be able to educate our people, and bring everybody together for progress, peace and progress. Thank you. We advise our youth in this country to stand up and contribute their own quota for the peace and progress of this country. They should come up and breast up and contribute their own quota. They are very strong. They have physical ability and mental alertness to contribute for the peace and security and progress of the country. So all our youth to be very serious in whatever they do. If you are still in school, make sure they pay attention in your education. If you are out of the school, make sure they get something to do. You know, that you contribute to the economy, social and the well-being of Nigeria at all times. Thank you.
I came from southwest Nigeria, from Zurich, the Obosi people, and the chairman of Traditional Rulers Council of Anambra State. For his love for culture, as a custodian of culture and tradition in southwestern Nigeria, you can see a very strong display of unity from the three major regions of our country, the Hausas, the Igbos, and the Yorubas. We are all here fully represented from all the major tribes of our their country. This indeed is a very strong display of unity, indeed a very strong display of culture and tradition. That is our bedrock as a nation. Very proud to be associated with the Obosi people, the entire southeastern region. It's my home, not my only second home. As a Chancellor of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, I'm very frequent here, and I'm always very happy coming all the time. I also want to wish His Excellency Professor Charles Soludo, the Governor of Anambra State, a wonderful moment and peaceful election coming up soon. I know the peace for peace will linger on. God bless Obosi and God bless Anambra State and God bless the Republic of Nigeria. It's a good thing for our country that there's a lot of strength in our diversity and unity. So we're happy and proud for such.
Afam Iyomaku Igwe Obosi, Chief Mrs. Chidoka, Chidima Chidoka. Fan member of Obiora Obosi. And Obiora, as we have heard, for a time of reconciliation and peace and asking God for His abundant blessings for a new year in Obosi. It's a beautiful event. It's very, very colorful. I'm very happy to be here. I feel happy. I'm grateful. I'm also in a spirit of thanksgiving to God as an Obosi, as a woman married into Obosi. So I feel thankful and I'm grateful to God. It's a prestigious group. It comes with a lot of responsibility. So what I have to tell them is that if you aspire to be a member of this group, it comes with a lot of blessings, but like I said, responsibility. So it's important to be an honest, truthful person because the community relies on you to be an arbiter of peace. So every time it's expected, every time it's asked of you, you are supposed to tell the truth. So what I mean is that you don't see black and call it white because of the responsibility that comes from this ivory that we wear. Thank you.
If you look around, you see different dance, like cultural dance, different masquerade performing, making everything entertaining. As in, today is one of the best day. I can tell you, like, if about it, as in, there's no way culture and tradition will go. You understand? So if you look around, you see, no matter how you just change it, still, tradition card, and people still love it. Just check around, different masquerade. I can't even count them. Different dancing groups. You can't even count the dancing group, both women, ladies, men, young people, different kind of dancing groups. To tell you that these people prepare for it is not like a coincidence. And this is what we're talking about. So our culture has come to stay and we must promote it. This is Igbo culture. Obosi performing their annual Yam Festival ceremony today. You have a feel can so now yeah. So can you go see the other food ever? All I want to do so. I like where so now so we need they are going. Can you go my how they will pay homage and support all his co-king now on another and other Igwes. We can't another Igwe. We can't be Igwe Obosi on where if any are gonna here.
The festival continues and we're looking at masquerade.